Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about this Rover 123cc Easy Mow lawnmower. Now this one has a problem. I have snapped one of these things that keeps it running. So that the metal thing that goes here, that you hold it like this, that helps it to start. Now if you have one of those issues, this video is for you. So how to fix it? Like, first thing is you either get this part and you get the new throttle wire. If you don't have it, let's see what we can do. Now in terms of this wire, what it does is it actually gives this enough pull here to start your lawnmower. And now you will see here what I've done here so far is I've zip tied it so that it's kind of pulled towards this side, so that now you can pretty much start it if you want to. Now you will see, oh okay, so how do I turn it off? Do I have to cut it? No, you don't have to. So what you need to do in this instance is, if you're out running this with the zip tied on, you go this way. So if you depress the accelerator on this one like this for a few seconds, it'll turn off. I can give you a demonstration right now. So it's that easy. So yeah, because the zip tie, now I'm able to start it. And then also, if you want to turn it off, you can just go from here, depress it for a few seconds, and that's it. It should do the job. Now in terms of how to fix it, I have ordered some stuff for it. So hopefully once I get the stuff delivered, I will be on to it.